Hi viewers and friends, today I learn how to purchase or buy Kimberly WordPress blog shop theme. Kimberly is a new WordPress blog theme for creative people, helping you to tell your stories and present your blog the way it should be. Kimberly is one of the most elegant, clean and creative WordPress blog themes. Tell us your unique story about travel, inspirations, food, fashions, news, photos, weddings and everyday moments from all over the world. Let's make your blog the source of inspiration. This theme can be easily installed to start your personal or magazine blog within one click. We made sure that you can easily customize the theme to your needs without code knowledge. You can upload your own logo, background, set the font and color from a panel options to enable or disable those sections that you need. Theme features: WP 4.9 ready. Clean, modern design can be used for any type of blog. Bootstrap 4 based. Unlimited colors. Social network integration. Show, hide most elements. 4 menu layouts. 8 different blog layouts. 3 header layouts. Full screen image. Slider. Carousel. Original design. Regular free updates. Responsive layout. Retina ready. Advanced theme options panel. Fully adaptive for mobile. HTML5 and CSS3. Page and post layouts. Post type support. Image. Video. Gallery. Quote. Link. Logo uploader. Live color changer. Parallax effect. Google Fonts. Support for contact form 7. Custom widgets. MailChimp newsletter support. WooCommerce support. Social media icons in header and footer. Well documented. Clean commented code. Demo content included. Quick and easy setup. Translation ready. And more. Any questions? If you need help, we will be always glad to help you with any question you run into. Dashboard and mail are checked regularly during business hours 1000 H1800 UTC0200. We usually respond to most support tickets within 24 hours 90% of the times. But depending on the number, complexity of requests in a particular day and factors such as public holidays and weekends, the response time can take up to 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Please, if you think this video learn or info for products so like, comment, subscribe and purchase easily process.